After studying two challenges that are the lack of internal democracy within the political parties and the dynastic succession followed in the political parties as a challenge, next to come to the third one. The next is money and muscle power. This is the most significant challenge to the political parties, especially during the election. Most of the political parties focused only on winning the election. Thus, they tend to use the shortcuts and wrong ways. They nominate those candidates who have or lots of criminal connection or can raise lots of money. Generally, it is seen that the rich people and the big companies they raise the funds to the political parties to influence on the policies and the decisions on the political party. In some cases, parties support the criminals also to win the election. The Democrats all over the world are worried about the increasing role of rich and influential people among the politics. The last challenge faced by the political parties are the meaningful choice. The parties rarely gives the meaningful choice to its voters. In order to offer the meaningful choice, party significantly have their different opinions. Generally, it is seen that there has been a decline in the ideological differences among the parties in most parts of the world. Example, the difference between the Labour Party and the Conservative Party in Britain is very rare. They agree on more fundamental aspects but differ only in details on how policies are to be framed and implemented. It is also seen in our country that most of the political parties have the common concepts. They are hardly different on their ideologies and their principles. Generally, all the political parties within India, whether they are the state party or the national party, they have the common opinion and the beliefs. Because of the commonness in the ideologies and the principle among the political parties and the members keep on shifting from one party to another, sometimes the people are unable to choose the different leaders from the parties.